Managing your day can be challenging. Luckily, there are AI-powered apps that help you stay organized, track tasks, and boost productivity. Here are some of the best AI apps for tracking and managing your day. First, Todoist. Todoist uses AI to prioritize your tasks and suggest the best time to complete them. It helps you create to-do lists, set deadlines, and organize work efficiently. You can add tasks quickly using natural language like typing, "Meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m." and Todoist understands and schedules it for you. Next, Microsoft To Do. This app combines simple task management with intelligent suggestions. It syncs across devices and uses AI to remind you about deadlines and recurring tasks. It also integrates with Outlook, making it easy to manage your emails and tasks in one place. Another great app is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write notes, track projects, and create databases. Its AI features help you summarize notes, generate content ideas, and organize information. You can customize your workspace to fit your daily routine. Google Calendar also uses AI to manage your schedule. It suggests meeting times based on your availability and the availability of others. It sends reminders and even suggests events you might want to attend. Integration with Gmail allows automatic event creation from emails. For time tracking, Rescue Time is a powerful AI app. It automatically tracks how you spend your time on your computer or phone. It provides detailed reports and helps you identify distractions. Using AI, it offers personalized tips to improve your focus and productivity. If you want an app to manage your habits, try Fabulous. Fabulous uses AI to build healthy routines by sending you motivational messages and personalized coaching. It tracks your progress and helps you build habits step by step. Lastly, Clockwise is an AI-powered calendar assistant. It optimizes your schedule by moving meetings to the best times and creating focused work blocks. This app helps you protect time for deep work and reduces meeting overload. Using these AI apps can transform the way you manage your day. They save time, reduce stress, and help you stay focused on what matters most. Try these apps and find the one that fits your style. Start managing your day smarter with AI today.